An example of digital transformation based on survival through the initial stages of the pandemic was the UK Ventilator Challenge in April 2020. In response to the coronavirus pandemic, HSSMI, together with a consortium of partners, helped to deliver the rapid production scale-up of ventilators to meet the urgent demand from the NHS. This resulted in the manufacture of 10,000 additional ventilators, which helped to treat the impending surge in serious cases across the UK. This result could not have been achieved if not for the rapid adoption and deployment of digital tools and technologies across the organisations to ready the production line and its operators at Ford's Dagenham engine plant. The use of Teams to collaborate and a cloud-based SharePoint to store and manage the data between the consortium partners was a fundamental element of the success of the project. It enabled remote collaboration across teams as well as providing a single source of truth data repository to ensure everyone was working to the correct versions of the files. 360 video scanning technology was deployed to capture the raw environment of an incumbent ventilator manufacturing facility and assembly line. This data was used to produce an interactive digital representation which contained information on the production line layout, bill of process, manufacturing best practices, and to benchmark the tact and cycle times. A 360 factory view was captured to provide remote access to view the facility, and this was important in limiting the number of visits given the initial lockdown requirements. Being able to share this information digitally enabled visual access to knowledge of how manufacture of ventilators to allow others to adapt their processes swiftly. 3D PDF technology was deployed using captured videos and process sheets provided by Ford to develop digital assembly instructions. The digital assembly instructions were shared between the process teams, which gave them access to CAD models without the need for heavy-duty PCs or CAD packages available remotely. The team was able to optimize the process in a brief period of time and share the digital assembly instructions with the operators for training before the production line was launched.